Okay. I think I'm live. What am I doing today? Let me get the link if I can find it. It's telling me that my stream URL is not a real URL. That can't be right. For anyone who is watching the VOD of this, there's not going to be any music in it, unfortunately. But that's the sacrifice you have to make, you know? Alright, let's see if I set this up correctly. There will be music live in the Discord though. Oh my god, that's laggy. Alright, hopefully that's better. Okay, I had to kill PyCom because I was lagging way too much. Now what was I actually working on? I don't remember. I think it was right, yeah, the UI that makes the UI. So the idea is that all these UI things, the UI elements are going to have convex holes just like everything else. I'm spending way too long trying to debug this, why this is lagging the music, but honestly it might just be my my setup right now. But yeah, so the I was doing this. So this has a we basically have indices in here, and these indices are all of the points for the UI elements that they have in their outline. And it's going to be a 2D hole just like everything else. So that's what we're doing. And I've got 3 different states for moving UI elements, for selecting new ones, which is just called none, and adding points. So so I was trying to figure out what else I need to do here. Yeah, it is ui-ception. That is what it is. Well, the question is, what do I do next? Because so the points aren't even connected to the pipeline yet, because I'm really scared of getting rid of just the rectangles, but I guess it has to happen. And so, I should just start with a button that just creates a UI element, to be honest. Like, that's okay, button label. The question is, why do they not have that as a thing on here? Yeah. This is just going to... We're just going to go if... I guess I could just make it in the middle of the screen, or... Honestly, no, here's what we do. I just don't do this. I just make another state for this, actually, and then you just click to make a UI element, so... thing in the email here. Oh, my AC came on, so that's not good. So if we have that state, then we have to go to here. It's gonna be here. Right, I got rid of this. So this is going to be... I think we'll just switch case on this. What's a really long name? This is a really big struct, so I don't even know what it is. It's none of these. You know what, honestly, I will do this, figure out this, this doing the stream music from Discord another time. I don't care enough to do it, to be honest, because it's causing so much lag. because it like streams from your account or whatever. Let's figure out what this is called. Maybe UI element mouse state is what it's called for whatever reason. I think it's UI edit. Yeah. Am I doing these in the right order? Yeah. This is going to be on none. Yeah, this is so much easier without that lag. Jeez. Okay, so we're just going to implement this first, and this is going to create a new element. Did I delete that? Yeah, I did. Okay, so if we are less than the fake, see, I don't even know how we're gonna do a default or I'm just gonna put this to default values. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna make a static one. Oh yeah, I can't put this before it, of course. I don't know why I was trying to do that. Yeah, this is annoying that I have to do this, but it's either this or I set up a state for all of these things within the the editor itself, which is not something that I want to do right now because that would be a lot of values that I would have to store. the end of the day, this is never going to be a permanent system anyway, so I might as well just make it a oh, why am I doing this? Yeah, I'm sleepy, man. I'm sleepy. I don't even remember what interactable was, but I mean, whatever. What did I call this? Interact. That's what I called it. This wasn't a, oh, this was this. And this was behavior. I have way too many enums right now for this. This is absurd. Okay, well, it makes sense why I did that, but okay. Okay, now I will just set it to that. Oh, you know what? That's not good. The ID needs to be UI element count. Fine. Okay. So that should That should just work. I have to go here. Yeah, that was something that I was going to change, was this isn't going to be its own menu, actually. This is just a wrapper for the main UI loop, I think. So we're just going to display this with, this is going to get called by the thing in the other file, so. Yeah. Yeah, it's this file. Where is that though? That would be selection. Here. I think so. I'm just gonna put it here. We will take this off of, I don't really know even why I'm still having this on player, since I have my own like editor config system. It's just gonna be annoying to change everything over, but it's basically the only thing that's on the player struct now. Takes me a while to get used to the stream lag, to be honest. This is annoying because I just nah, you know what? I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. We're not going to do that. This just looks so wrong, but it's whatever. This is the only thing that's been properly like modularized in terms of UI, is this one function. But whatever. So this is within that menu. I wanted to make another row of these, that's what I wanted to do. So let's do 3 and 3. Well, 4 and 3. Is there anything that I needed to do before I compile that? We're displaying, and then we are pressing make element, and then we're going to click the screen and see if it pops up. That's what we're doing. I think that's what we're doing. Let me just make sure that this thing is actually just so that we make sure. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, well, it's absurdly mad at me for a bunch of linker errors. I'm just trying to figure out what I changed. Oh. Why? I don't know why I was recursively including that. I'm getting a pretty scary warning, actually. Okay. Getting an error at map.c. At all the way up here. Oh. That's true. That's just a very fair. Let me check this other warning I'm getting though. That's very true. Now I'm wondering what how I include it in this file. Maybe I just include these in there just in case. I don't really know. But it's telling me that that's a problem, so I'm just gonna pay attention to it, even if it's just a warning. I still have to fix this. I keep on forgetting about that. Long compile times today. No, we're still launching. I thought we had crashed for a second, but yeah, my computer is super slow today because or my laptop I should say, because the power went out and then it ran out of battery. So it's been working overtime today. Yeah, geez, it's very laggy, but okay, this is 2 now. Oh, come on, we didn't spend that long compiling just for that not to work. Man, it's such a bummer. Yeah, search selection. Oh my god, like That's a bummer. That's a real bummer. Oh, this isn't going to be able to click in. Okay. Okay. What else can I do while that's compiling and doing that stuff? I think we should just add other things to here. I'm just gonna open it in a split, I think, and then we'll just do that. Yeah. Okay. What am I opening in the split? Yeah, we're going to the this. This song isn't in this playlist. Oh, you know what? YouTube hacked my Spotify hacked my computer and turned on Smart Shuffle. Like, actually unbelievable. Okay. Well, Harper Lee, you're in front of my menu. Why? This is annoying that just happened. Oh. That's why that happened. It's because I guess this has to be here. First of all, let's make this a 4. Second of all, let's make this 2 times, and let's just put this over here. This is not the finest code I've ever written, but it's whatever. It's not like I'm really going to be keeping this in the long term anyway, so So now, okay, back to what I was doing. I'm wondering how I want to edit this. I guess my idea was that, first of all, let's make a button that selects all the points, right? So indicate button label context, select all points, then we will loop through the selection. And just select all the points, I guess. Where is that? Don't make me find it. Is that in a different file? Why would that be in a different file? Whatever. My mouse is on my other monitor. Okay. Okay. It might not be the right interactable type. The default. But I mean, yeah, let me check. Interact none. UI pause menu. Maybe if it's interact none, it doesn't get a let me just give this the same that everything has. None of that should change visibility. I don't know. I could also just like check where I'm adding it and make sure that it goes through. If I can find where that code is now. Don't really remember. Yeah, it's up here. Here. Oh. That ID was definitely not what I thought ID was. We could also like make sure to just like make this something huge. I don't know. Strange. I mean, I can also just like look at where the all the other ones are. Maybe I just move draw layer to 1, actually, because it might be, yeah, it might be drawing on top of it. Okay. Yeah, I'm down to compile that. Okay. Now back to what I was doing. Right. Honestly, for now, I'm just going to call clear. That isn't in the header file. Oh man. Bummer. It's not in the file I even thought it was in. It's in this file. I know where it is. It's right here. Do I even have any of these? Yeah, I do. I'm just gonna put it right next to it. Yeah, this file is a complete mess. Okay. So, just clearing it here. Okay, so I'm clearing it there, and I'm just going to make a new new thing, I guess. I also had add in here, didn't I? Yeah, this is what I was looking for earlier. I have to make sure that this is in that or as well. It isn't, of course it isn't. So we're just gonna put that over here. I forgot to hit run on this. Okay. Right, I was going to reference this. Wait, I'm just calling add UI element to selection. Wait. I'm clearing the selection and then no, I can't do that. Okay, well, we aren't going to clear the selection then. This, you know what I could do? I could just set the counter to 0. I just hope that oh no, I can't because I'm using the count. Oh god, this is way too complicated for what I wanted to do. There's no need for it to be that complicated. I have a feeling that it's not making any elements. I wonder why that is. I guess I could just like literally add a print here. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever, I'm not gonna worry about it, I have this to worry about. Honestly, I could just make another like thing here that does pretty much the exact same thing, but this is going to be reselect, who cares, reselect UI element. You know what? I'm just wondering. Maybe I just don't do that. Because there's no need for me to do that. Actually, yeah. Let's just not even make it a function. Let's just go in here and then. I have to open this in a split and then go and find where that is, though. This is an entity handler. No, it isn't. It's UI element selection, that's what it is. Right, so it's indices. It's resizable indices. I'm just going to say UI element selection pointer cell equals editor config selected elements I. Okay, this is going to go to the element. We want to if cell yeah, I'll make a function that does that then. So I'm gonna regret not making a function that does that later. To find where the other clear is. Yeah, here. So this is going to be void clear. Oh, I'm being stupid. Okay. What was I doing a second ago? Indices dot indices. There's probably a better way of doing this, but do the thing, man. I have to escape it. Don't tell me I called this counter. Ah, disgusting. So this is going to be in map.h. Okay. This is going to be wait, was I just... Did I put this in two different files without actually even thinking about it? Whatever. They're both going to the same place. Okay. Okay. Now I'm allocating new indices based on this. So I'm just gonna go sell indices dot capacity equals counter again and again and again. Okay. Okay. Believe it or not, that's just that's selecting all the points. So okay, that should just work, I think. Yeah, let's compile this, what I was working on a long time ago. I can also test adding elements to selection now. That should be a thing that I can do. Okay, what else do I need to do? I have to get back on track here with why? Here. Okay. I hope that this tells me what I want to hear. Okay. I definitely didn't click this many times. That's... Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. So it's definitely getting in there. Song's kind of bad vibes. Song's kind of good vibes. Yeah, I wonder why it isn't. I guess I can check if it's just not being toggled visibility. Where is the code for that is the question. That's gonna be in here. All the way at the bottom. Here. If UI elements is visible, but I toggle the visibility somewhere else. I toggle it in, God, if I could remember right now. No, I know where I toggle it on. I toggle it here. Oh, I have to escape that character? You're kidding me. Okay. Here. If UI elements not visible and no, I have a function that does this. It's called toggle UI elements, right? UI pause menu. So this should just be doing it because the group ID is for this default is 100% UI pause menu. One of these was -1, I think, for these. To go back and check that out. Am I crazy or? I don't really know. I guess I could print out here the just this to see. Oh, it's a mystery to me. Okay, what else do I need here other than this, though, while that's getting sorted? I need something. Oh, I need a color picker. Okay, well, I can get that from somewhere else. Get that from here. Ambient color. You're gonna have to search it and not press escape. There we go. I just forgot what I was doing. I was doing this. I'm just gonna do that for now. Okay, that was that. What's the good way to do this? I don't know. I'm just gonna write it out. I'm too tired to care. Okay. That's the color picker. Same thing that we always have. Maybe one day I won't copy and paste that, but that day will not be today. Okay, what else do I need? So this is going to be the color, and then I need one for the border color. And for right now, this is just changing the one element. I'm not even going to worry about changing multiple elements right now, because it's annoying. I call this element light and not oh man, just ruined my cursors there. I was hoping that wouldn't do that. Whatever. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. Now what am I getting? This should be making a UI change, so what the hell? Well, that's not how that's supposed to be working. Okay, well, this bug apparently isn't going to fix itself, so I'm actually going to have to work to fix it. That's fine. Apparently it's adding way too many, and none of them are getting drawn. I have to find where this is. I definitely am. Yeah, I already proved that I am. Oh. Wait, that's actually so true. I don't check. I don't have that in there. Wait a minute. I just realized something. Yes, yes, this is where this needs to go. Okay. Okay. Uh, yeah. I accidentally tied this thing that was supposed to be on mouse click to mouse movement. It's two very different things. Very, very different things. Yeah, I was really confused. Like, okay. Okay. Now that should be working. I mean, this code is like such a mess, you know? But that should still be working. Yeah. Okay. Well, I disabled the debug because I thought that it was gonna work. Okay, I guess it's not going to work, even though I fixed that bug. Okay. So it's definitely something dumb that I'm not understanding here. Wait a second. This might actually be in the no, it's not. It's actually not. What I thought was maybe there was a maybe the text array had to be a -1, or else it but I'm not even. I'm just gonna say that that's an int. It's not like that actually matters, but yeah. I'll move this to -1 as well, just to match. Let me try also changing this from this. Let's just go to something less extreme. I don't really know. It 100% is getting added. So I think I'm just gonna compile it again and see. Very strange. Because the this also gets incremented. I could just print out all of these values. I just don't want to. Let's get back to this. I think I'll just make a property. Is this a thing? What it is? This is just going to be 0. The val is element interactable. It's going to go to a max of, I don't really care. Okay, we don't know. I can just try like let me go to this and see if it could be Maybe this is something that's going to just come to me magically later. But yeah, I'm honestly way too tired to figure this out, so I'm just going to leave this for later, to be honest. I guess I can move this over like to like 600. Just keep it in line with everything else. I would be moving the Y over as well. It's not gonna bother me though if I don't fix this. Where do I copy this static? I copy it in I don't even remember that, to be honest. It isn't in here, is it? Well, I guess I could just try this out. I don't know why this wouldn't be working, but I'll stop being stupid. Okay. Actually, good question. The selected elements isn't getting updated probably as well, because those menus aren't appearing as well. Okay. John, you're in my way. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm just being stupid because now that isn't even incrementing. So I don't like I don't understand why that isn't incrementing. If I'm incrementing it. I also didn't try. I should this music has been such a downer. I didn't check the other thing as well. The other thing being the selection. I always hate when I launch on top of my code workspace. It's very annoying. Okay, now I'm kind of worried that one of these changes that I made let me go to the input loop here. Oh, I do have this here. Hold on. I just had an idea actually. What if oh my god, I'm a moron. Yeah. I still don't think that that's the issue though. At least not the main. I always forget which is relative and which isn't. On this, did I do this wrong? It looks like I did this wrong. Why are you not giving me any errors? There should definitely be this here. How did I mess this up? Oh, it's because I didn't grab this. Okay, well now that I realize that, this will hopefully be less painful. Okay. What do you mean? Like, am I going crazy here, or? Oh, yeah, that's that, yeah, okay. Okay, so now this is actually correct, but, I doubt that that's gonna work, though. Like, I was still, maybe for some reason I wouldn't get into this loop if I have the issue is that there's actually so much of my logic that's kind of tied to relative mouse move that, or relative mouse mode, that there could be some flag that's getting tripped somewhere else that I'm not really sure. Okay. Yeah, it's still making a bunch of elements and then not adding them to the draw buffer. Like this is still a thing that's happening. And we just can't see them. Yeah, it's making a lot of them. I don't understand why, to be honest, because I have mouse cooldown even. So it's like... Yeah, I don't know. It's probably something where I'm gonna have to, like, debug it for real, you know? So... Okay, I'm going to go in here and this is definitely adding it to the draw buffer. I guess I just have to print out the actual points. God, I'm lagging so much right now, I don't know why. Oh, that was why. I'm just going to do this. Wow, I've really just lucked into the right number of things there. That's actually incredible. Yeah, this one's confusing to me. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna give it a quick run and then if I can't figure it out, then I'll just leave it for tomorrow. But yeah, super weird. I'm very tired though. Okay, reload it in. Okay, let's see what the debug says. I'm trying to visualize this. Yes, this looks completely correct. So, well, if I can't figure it out, I can't figure it out. But I will leave this for tomorrow. Then. Just gonna wrap up really quick with a couple more of these fields then. Yeah, I guess I'll just do a it's gonna be a checkbox. Honestly, do I really? I mean, I can't really. Yeah, this means nothing. You're just gonna do this for these other. This is gonna be the ID. Yeah, and the only other thing is going to be the border in the corner, and this can have I'm gonna have to probably take a look in the shader to figure out why that's not. It's very weird. Alright. That should be all of that done. It's really gonna bother me why this isn't showing up. But I'm guessing that I'm not going to figure it out right now. Like, let me look at this again. So this is... Yeah, it's the exact same winding. It's the exact same winding. It's quite a mystery because they're adding them to the draw buffer, but they're not getting drawn. Yeah, I might have to print everything else out. Without doing that, let me go here and let me try and hard code one with the exact same dimensions as that. I think this is the same. I'm not going to take any chances, and I'm just going to go exactly the same values for whatever reason. Hold on, that would be really stupid if that was... No, there's no way, there's no way, there's no way. There's no way, there's no way. No, there's no way. State none has to be 0. Okay. Yeah, this is the exact same now. Alright, I'm giving this a compile. And then I'm going to bed, to be honest. Honestly, did not get a lot done in the past few hours. I've been exhausted. I thought I would be getting a lot more done, to be honest. But this bug is really bothering me. I don't really understand. I've like printed out all of the points that are all valid. It's definitely getting added to the draw buffer. But maybe there's just something stupid that I'm missing. Okay. Yeah. It, as expected, for whatever reason, when I add you know what I'm gonna try to reload and get off the default debug map and see if that does something. Okay, so now I'm pressing the wrong button, that's why. Now you are going to let me do this right. I mean, now I wouldn't even be able to tell if this is working, to be honest. Let me try this real quick. No, none of this is working. You know what's actually interesting that I just realized? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I'm actually so dumb. Okay, I know why this is happening. I know why this is happening. But that's so annoying. I don't know why I didn't see that before. I was just looking at the relativity of the UI elements, but obviously it's very obvious to me now what's actually happening. They aren't being scaled properly to the relative resolution, so so I'm gonna fix that really quick, and then that'll work, and then I can go to sleep in peace. Where is that? Let's go to input. That is going to be here. I don't have a function that does only the that's actually right here. I don't have a function that scale UI. Yeah, it just scales the entire UI. Yeah, I totally forgot about this actually. Okay, well, I can just like literally make a function called void scale UI element before I go to bed. That's just takes in one element. And it does the exact same thing. Yeah, you can tell I'm way too tired to be trusted with this right now. So we're just gonna pass it a it's just gonna do this. That's it. Honestly, you can just do this, right? Well, okay. This is how this works. And now I'm going to put this in the header file and then call it okay. Now this is going to get called over here. I'm just going to scale UI element I am tired. And now this will be working, and now I can take out this hard-coded one. I can't believe I was looking at these points and I just didn't even it didn't register in my head that these numbers are way too big. I still don't actually know why I'm adding this many of them, to be honest. Oh, it's because of this. I'm just going to be lazy and put that there. But yeah, that's the mouse cooldown. Okay. Okay. We do this compile and then let me at least get one thing working. But yeah, this still doesn't work. I was working on this before. This is it checks within a because I haven't computed the element outlines yet. That's something that I haven't done. That's why. Yeah, that's something else I have to do. Basically, for each element, I have to take these and then create 4 points with them beforehand, and then store them in the outline, and then just use the outline for everything, because that's okay, there we go. It made the element now. Okay, well, there's that. So not a lot of progress, but still, nonetheless, I guess we at least got one thing working. So tomorrow it's going to be making these holes. So I'm gonna set a to do here for these, I'm gonna call it make holes from XY and yeah, and create a system to add points. And that's gonna be that. Alright. I think that's pretty much it for me. I was a bit sleepy today, so I don't know about doing these at nighttime, to be honest. I just get so tired and zoned out at this point. But I knew I wouldn't be able to do a stream for another couple of days, so maybe you just put this on like a podcast and just listen to me type away or whatever, and that's what that is. But yeah, so not a lot of progress done, but nonetheless, yeah, we're like halfway done. I think like after I get this next part done, then we'll be in good shape. All right, peace.